In this video you will learn exactly how I made this super realistic underwater car video. This video concept has been going absolutely viral on social media, and by the end of this video you can recreate it in just a few clicks. You will learn the exact AI tools, the exact prompts, how to make it look ultra realistic, how to upscale your images and videos for crispy results, and how I used some simple sound effects to spice up the video. We are going to Higgsfield AI and we go to Cinema Studio. Make sure image is selected and select ARRI Alexa 35 as camera with an ARRI prime lens at 24mm. Although you can use any camera and lens that you would like, I did some testing and this one came out as one of the best, and it will save you some wasted credits. For the prompt, I use create an ultra realistic photograph of this Bugatti Veyron underwater in the ocean. The water has a dark blue tone, the car is underwater with its front bumper tilted downwards and the rear is upwards, floating in the water. The car is rusted from water, plankton is visible on the car, tiny air bubbles are visible on some edges of the car, and some air bubbles escape towards the surface of the water. A subtle sunbeam hits the car through the surface of the water, creating soft shimmerings on the car and shadow areas on the bottom part of the car. Lighting is ultra realistic, ultra photorealistic 8K resolution. If you want, you can add your own image as reference, which is exactly what I'm going to do. And this way Higgsfield will create an image with the exact car from your reference. But you don't really have to add any reference images. Just type whichever car you want. I'm going to take a few screenshots of a short video that I filmed from this Bugatti Veyron, so that I have a screenshot of every angle that I want to recreate. You can use any picture of any car from the internet, but I like to use my own shots, and this way I can get the exact car and its exact features in my AI generated images and videos. I'm going to generate a batch of 4 in 1K resolution, and I'm going to generate already another batch of 4, and this way we can pick the best one from 8 images. Because the result from these generated images will set the tone and the quality for the final result. So I'd rather have some options to choose from. If your images are generated, you can evaluate. And if you want to change a few things, such as the camera angle of the car, or you want more or less plankton, for example, you can simply hit edit and tell Higgsfield what you'd like to change. But for my testing, the prompt that I have given does a fairly good job right away. If you want to create a different angle but with the same scenery, you can hit edit and put as prompt perfect, now create me another angle as seen on the reference image, a close-up of the Bugatti emblem and front grille. So I type here what I see and drop the screenshot of your desired angle as reference. Although you don't have to put an image as reference, this has worked well for me. And like this you can create all the shots and angles that you want. To make your images ultra sharp and clean, we are going to upscale them in just a few clicks. Select your image that you want to upscale, hit upscale x2, which is 4K resolution, and hit upscale. If we click compare, we can see the difference side by side. I'm not sure how this will be visible after YouTube compression, but the result is actually impressive. When you are finished, download the upscaled image. I don't create 4K images in the testing phase because it will cost you more credits and it will take longer to generate. And I will only upscale the images that I'm going to use. Now, if we want to create a video from this image, we go to Video, Cinema Studio Video, and here you can add your generated image to the first frame. And for prompt I used extreme slow motion, slow down to 10%, air bubbles slowly fizz upwards, the plankton slowly moves, light beams slowly shimmer, everything extremely slow and in slow motion. Now select the camera movement that you want. If you hover over your selection, you will see what it actually does. I'm going for the orbit movement here. Sound off, or you will spend unnecessary credits. Slow motion on, and I'm going to generate 2 videos so I can choose the best one. But if you don't want to spend too much credits, just generate one. If we check the generated videos, this one looks very nice. In this one the car makes a movement that I don't like. So the left one is perfect, and that's why I sometimes like to generate a few options. Even if it's with the exact same prompt, the results may vary. I did notice that the built-in movements from Higgsfield AI can be sometimes too fast in movement. If that's the case, simply type extreme slow motion orbit movement almost not moving. And if you want to upscale the final video, you can hit upscale and the results are actually pretty insane. Now, if we have generated all these videos and we want to spice up our end result, we can use some simple sound effects. This one is a underwater sound effect from Epidemic Sound, and this one is actually just a copy because this one was just a little bit too short. I went to Epidemic Sound, sound effects, typed underwater, and actually the first one was a perfect match. These three that you see here are actually from Ocular Sound and are powerful Brahms. I layered them on top of each other, I played with the volume here and there, and here I faded them in so they don't come in too aggressive. Or you can simply scrub through some sound effects and see which one you like yourself. I'm sure that Epidemic Sound also has some powerful Brab effects. And if you want to learn how I created this extremely clean and viral gloss car transition, watch this video next.